Say hi.
This island, boy, boy, yeah, yeah.
Good morning, good morning. You don't know it's island boy, Africa. Yesterday, guys. So this morning, me and little Bobo there. Bobo say hi. He's in a mood, guys, because he wants to go on the bike. So this morning is a school morning, guys. Yeah, man. So gotta take little Bobo to school. You see me? So sometimes, some days he's excited, while some days he's like, no, I don't wanna go. And I've been one morning where he actually threw up, threw up on the teacher. You see, so sometimes he actually do that on purpose, where once he's inside and he knows that I'm gonna leave, our mom gonna leave, he just decide to throw up, try to throw up on himself. So yeah, we have this morning, guys. It's a very cold morning, isn't it? But yeah, man, there brush him teeth and everything, get him ready already, and him bag and him with him clothes and everything in here. Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, so that's what's up for the morning. So let's go now. Hi, Bobo.
Hi, Dada.
Oh, yes, you ready for school?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? You sure? Mm-hmm. Alright. So what you do now? Yeah, sweep. What? Yeah, man. So there, guys. I'll put him on the bike now and get ready to go.
Oh, bike.
Yeah.
Bike.
Well, you have to wear helmet as well for safety. Yeah. Hold it. Put on the bag. So this is his bag, guys. Scooby. Yeah.
Bike. Oh, bike.
Yes, bike. No. Let's go.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, I'll wear it. Careful. What? Yeah. You want your hat on? Okay. You excited? You see your friends? And your girlfriend? Yeah. What? Ah, you excited for bike? Uh-huh. Ooh, look at that boy. Ah, ready for school, eh? Yes.
Yes.
Look at Gigi Boss.
Tugu.
What? What that mean?
Tugu.
What you saying?
Tugu.
Oh my gosh.
Tugu. La.
It's a bit. Yeah, we're ready. Come. Hey. Put him. Come on, get inside. There we have it, guys. The last and final one. Stick right in here. Yep. And that's it. Ready to go? Probably
for
make this a bit more tight.
back.
Sit good, Bubble. Straighten up. There we go. Yeah, so we strap from there, guys.
Back.
To there, to there,
Mommy, back.
to there. So his foot don't go all over the place. Yeah, man. There we have little Bubble. Hey, Bubble. You ready? Start the journey, guys. Sunny morning. Very cold inside. Nice little cool ride in the morning, you know? Very quiet place, guys. You hardly see people come out of their house, trust me. Way different from Jamaica. You know, see people I go up on the street and hang out and them thing there. Well, it do happen, but you know, not really in the neighborhood. You would see people hang out a lot. Bobo, say hi. Yeah, we're still up on the journey, guys. It's a nice little ride, you know. And I don't know where stressful I may have to worry about, you know. The worst thing just happened again. What I spoke about earlier. Island threw up all over the place. As he entered the classroom this morning, guys, he just threw up everywhere. You see it? Oh my God, but I told him, regardless, he's gonna stay. You know, so I already did brought change of clothes, so that was good. Yeah, man, but I had to clean him up myself. You see it, so yeah. That him just, some days he's good, some days he's just off, you know. Yeah, man, but yeah, I'm have to stay in school because he has to get used to it. He tried to use that to come home, you know, so he threw up on himself, so that way I would take him home. You see, but it's not gonna work all the time. Yeah, so you just have to bend to the condition, you know. Yeah, man, so that's what's up. So right now I'm just riding back home, guys. These birds. Whew. Look at these parrot, guys. They're so beautiful. There's so many different color parrots you see here. These ones are the white one, you have the pink one, and then you have some that have all different color, like the rainbow color basically. Yeah, they're so beautiful. Love seeing them. I'm back home now, guys, and I'm just gonna go hang out some clothes that's been washed from last night, isn't it? So there they are. Look who we have here, guys. Bobo doing his gardening. I didn't even tell him to do anything. He's out here digging up dirt, throwing inside the flower spot.
Oh, there.
Ooh, that's a lot. Hi, Bobo. Be a nice Jamaican. Yep. Yep. Throw it in. Where are you going now? Ah.
Oh no! Again!
Hi, Bobo. See that? Ding. Ding. Bobo, you're sleeping. Sleepyhead. Tired. So from now on, guys, you probably won't be seeing just only fishing videos on the channel. You see it because it's not every day I get to go fishing, so you know, I'll just have to mix it up with, you know, vlogs at home and things like that to keep the channel active. So yeah, man, hope you all enjoy this video today, and if you want to see more, let me know down in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man, until next time, it's Island Boy Africa, and we out.